हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है ऑटोमोबाइल एशलॉन ग्रुप चैनल पर। थैंक्स फॉर ऑल फ्रेंड जो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया। अगर अभी तक आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस करिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करके लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन पाइए और लाइक करिए और कमेंट्स ज़रूर करिए और शेयर बटन दबा के शेयर करिए हमारे चैनल को। धन्यवाद।
Welcome to the world of MG. Just a few days ago, we unveiled to you India's first autonomous level 1 premium SUV, the MG Gloster. Autonomous level 1 is the most exciting developments in the industry that we have seen in the recent times. And with its human-like sensing qualities, Gloster can do what most other cars cannot. Let me quickly show you the autonomous level 1 features that we have in the MG Gloster. First is Adaptive Cruise Control or ACC. You can set the desired speed and interval with the vehicle in the front of you and cruise without the need to press the accelerator or the brake pedals, providing more comfort and safety. Next is Front Collision Warning or FCW. In case the car is on a collision course with the vehicle ahead, as detected by the computer vision system, the car alerts the driver to take necessary steps, further increasing driving safety. Third is Automatic Emergency Braking or AEB. The AEB will do the braking intervention automatically to prevent collision or reduce impact by reducing the speed of the vehicle by up to 40 km per hour. The car will come to a complete stop if the speed is less than 40 km per hour. And otherwise, if the speed is more, it will get reduced by 40 km per hour. It's a great safety feature for the unpredictable roads and traffic. Fourth is Lane Departure Warning or LDW. Once activated, if the car is deviating from its lane due to the driver error or unknowingly without having given an indicator sign, a warning is given to course correct, thus keeping the driver in control at all times and reminding him or her to drive safely. Fifth is Automatic Parking Assist or APA. You can choose between vertical or parallel parking. The Gloster will start scanning the selected parking slot and will assist the driver in parking without touching the steering wheel, making it truly a hands-free experience on the steering wheel and a complete wow. Gloster comes with 360-degree cameras and sensors to make sure that there are no blind spots. While driving, you get quick alerts on your rear view mirror with Gloster's sensing capabilities. Being a true blue, full-size SUV, this massive frame of the MG Gloster is driven by an on-demand or a real-time 4x4 drivetrain. Let me show you a quick video that really captures the capability of the MG Gloster across a diverse terrain set. The Gloster also comes with MG's state-of-the-art iSmart 2.0 system. Apart from 24/7 internet connectivity, we also have a large 12.3-inch screen in the center. New apps like Map My India and Shortpedia for news on the go. The MG iSmart 2.0 in the Gloster also comes with an industry-first voice search for your favorite songs through the Gaana app. Gloster also has a unique security feature, which is anti-theft immobilization, preventing theft, and this is enabled through the iSmart app on your mobile phone. The MG Gloster isn't just another car. It's a car that truly thinks about you, your safety, your convenience, your comfort all the time, making it truly a selfless SUV. And now, let me invite Rajiv for what you all have been waiting for. Rajiv.
Thank you, Gaurav. So our journey in India started with the first internet SUV, the MG Hector. and followed by India's first pure electric internet SUV, the MG ZS EV. And today we bring MG Gloster, India's first autonomous level 1 premium SUV. A few days back we introduced My MG Shield. Why is that important? In the industry, typically so far, including us, have been offering very standard packages to consumer, like so many years of warranty and so many years of roadside assistance, assuming the needs of all the consumers are same. What we have tried to do is that we are trying to give a chance to you to personalize your after sales packages the way you want to drive the car and the way you want to have your peace of mind with this car. So as an example, some of you want to keep the car for 3 years or 4 years or 5 years or more than 5 years. Some of you want to be assured about maintenance packages. Some of you want to be assured about resale price. Some of you want to customize your car based on some accessories and things like that. So we have made a bouquet of 200 plus options which we are going to give as part of the after sales packages. And to make it interesting, we are offering you 50,000 rupees worth of value what you can choose from these 200 plus options. And by the way, this 50,000 rupees you don't have to pay extra. It's part of the pricing what we are going to declare it just now. So that's the beauty of My MG Shield. It's your package, your choices, all in an extremely transparent way, and hopefully it gives good peace of mind to the Gloster owners. So to sum it up, this car comes with ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance System. It's 4-wheel drive, that too pretty intelligent. It is the tallest and the biggest in its segment with great third row seat. It comes with twin turbo diesel engine with massive power. It's connected, it's luxurious, it's plush. So let me show you Gloster in its full glory.
Dad,
Yes.
what am I thinking?
Is this our game?
No, it's an emergency.
Water.
Ice cream. Dad!
You said it was an emergency. Selfless.
Selfless?
What comes to mind when I say selfless?
Is this our game?
Yes.
A clue, please?
It's there to set the pace. And also to pull you back, to keep a safe distance.
Off-road again?
Off-road, off-map, no time to lose.
More clues, please.
It's always there to look out for you.
Dad!
And always stops you in time. It's there if you're in deep water. And it's there when you don't want to lift a finger. So, have you guessed it yet?
What?
What was I thinking when I said selfless?
Oh, that's easy, Daddy. It's you.
Oh, that's sweet. But I was thinking about Gloucester.
Then we were both right. The selfless never think of themselves.
MG Gloster, the selfless car.
And the moment you all have been waiting for. So let me set the context for pricing. Currently there are few options in price bracket of 25 to 50 lakhs in premium and luxury brands. MG Gloster is a full-size SUV with many compelling features which are first in segment and some first in industry. So price of Gloster start from 28.98 lakhs and goes up to 35.38 lakhs for the top variant. So let's have a look at the summary chart which includes all the variants with prices, and once again reminding that these prices include rupees 50,000 for My MG Shield to customize your package. So these are very special introductory prices for the customers who book their car before October 31st or the first 2,000 customers, whichever is earlier. Thank you for joining us. With our third product, we remain committed to give you the best and serve you the best. Thank you.